Mushroom composting can be a great addition to any gardening routine. While it can be a great soil amendment, you need to be aware of the plants that do not like mushroom compost. What is mushroom compost? Mushroom compost is also referred to as spent mushroom compost since it is obtained from the remains of mushroom farming. It is mainly used as a mulch and soil conditioner to improve ornamental and vegetable gardens. Most gardeners use mushroom compost to improve their soil's moisture content and break down the clay. But what most of them don't know is that there are different types of mushroom compost. In large-scale production of substrates, large bales of wheat straws are dipped in water and then cut into pieces with the help of a chipper, after which the straw is gradually worked into the gypsum and manure. After the materials are composted, they are sterilized to improve their quality before they are taken to the growing trays. How to use mushroom compost? Before you lay your lawn grass, you should work the mushroom compost into the soil. You should apply up to 3 inches of mushroom compost on top of your annual or perennial bed, and dig to a 6-inch depth to get the best results. Once you apply mushroom compost to your lawn, there is no need for any additional fertilizer or herbicides for the entire season. To prevent your plant root from burning out, you should apply your mushroom compost close to the roots of your plant for easy nutrient uptake. Mushroom compost can also be used on houseplants, but you must apply only a thin layer on top of the potting soil. You also want to check that there are enough drainage holes in your pot. Flower pots without drainage are not suitable for mushroom compost or any other type of compost. Are there chemical residues in mushroom compost? Some of the common chemicals used in mushroom farms to tackle insect problems include methoprene, diazinon, cyromazine, and diflubenzurin. They also apply chemicals such as chlorothalonil, phenamil, and thiabendazole to treat fungal infections in mushroom crops. When looking to get mushroom compost from farms, it is recommended that you inquire about the type of chemicals used in growing the plants. This makes it possible for you to know whether or not the compost will contain toxic materials. The presence of toxic chemicals in your mushroom compost can make it difficult for it to take effect on your plants, or it may have negative effects. Plants that do not like mushroom compost. As we mentioned earlier, mushroom compost is not a good fit for acid-loving plants. For these types of plants, you will want to apply acidic compost that has a slightly higher nitrogen content. Mushroom compost can be added to plants with a slightly higher alkaline content. Some examples include camellia, cranberry, viburnum, gardenia, hydrangea. Plants that like mushroom compost: yarrow, salvias, Shasta daisies, lavender, meadow rue. Mushroom compost alternatives: cow manure, kitchen waste compost, worm composting, mulch, poultry manure, potting soil. What is the pH of mushroom soil? Mushroom soil is alkaline and has a pH range between 6 to 8. This pH can even be higher if the soil comes from a factory that uses lime. This, therefore, makes this soil type suitable for alkaline soil-loving plants. How much nitrogen is in mushroom compost? Mushroom compost has a low nitrogen content of about 12%. This is because most of the nitrogen will have been consumed by the mushrooms that were originally grown in it. Most of this nitrogen content is mostly in an organic form which releases slowly and is available to plants over long periods. What is the pH of mushroom compost? Mushroom compost in its fresh form has a pH of about 6.6. This pH is in the ideal range for most plants. Conclusion. We hope that you enjoyed this video and got valuable information on plants that do not like mushroom compost. You will now be able to confidently use mushroom compost for your plants. Remember that you cannot use mushroom compost for acid-loving plants. And you should also source your mushroom compost from organic farms that do not use toxic chemicals as insect repellents. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.